Okay, from the sitting position, let's work with the upper and mid back. Check if you need some props to elevate your hips here, or perhaps you even need to come into a cross-legged position. This movement is so nice that you can even do it on a chair. So let's start by checking the pelvic position. Make sure your pelvis is neutral. And then let's lengthen the back of the neck. And as we lengthen the back of the neck, we will then tuck the chin and hang the head. Let the head hang here a little bit, relaxing the back of the neck. Let your breath flow freely. Now bring the attention to the sternum, your breastbone. And then pull it back towards your upper back, rounding just the upper back without involving so much the mid and lower back. And feel that. Now drop your ribs down and back, rounding your mid back. And then reach your hands towards the knees as far as you can. And let's hold here for a couple of breaths. And you're doing this, doing your best to not tuck the tail here. So we just work with our mid, upper back, and cervical spine. Take one more very slow cycle of breath. Let's then slide the hands back and then bring the lower ribs aligned with the front of the pelvis. Bring your sternum perpendicular to the floor and the chin and forehead on the same level. Bring the hands now behind you, and maybe just the fingertips will touch. If you're on a chair, you will hold the sides of the chair. And same thing, prevent your pelvis from changing position here. Let's lift the chest up, the sternum up. We are now working with the mid and upper back, arching that area. And then the head, lifting the chin up towards the sky. And working with a back bend only on the mid and upper back and cervical spine. Let the breath really fill up the trunk. Perhaps you can feel the breath all the way up in the apex of the lungs. Soften the jaw, the eyes. One more breath. And then bring your head back and center, chest, hands. And let's repeat.